Students, this is Dr. Shilpa Kapoor and the topic of my video is helium neon laser. Contains introduction, construction of helium neon laser, working of helium neon laser, applications, advantage, disadvantage. Introduction. A laser is a device that emits light through a process of optical amplification based on the stimulated emission of electromagnetic radiation. Lasers are generally classified in three types. First, gas laser, second, chemical laser, third, solid state laser. A helium neon laser is a small type of gas laser. Helium neon laser have many industrial and scientific uses. Helium neon laser is a 4-level laser. Its usual operation wavelength is 632.8 nanometer in the red portion of the visible spectrum. It operates in continuous working mode. Construction. Figure illustrate the construction of helium neon laser. The setup consists of a discharge tube of length 80 cm and bore diameter of 1.5 cm. The gain medium of laser is a mixture of helium and neon gases in a 5:20:1 contained at low pressure in a glass envelope. The energy or the pump source of the laser is provided by an electrical discharge of around 1000 volts through an anode and cathode at each end of the glass tube. A current of 5 to 100 mA is typical for continuous working operation. The optical cavity of laser typically consists of a plain, high reflecting mirror at one end of the laser tube and a concave output coupler mirror of approximately 1% transmission at the other end. Helium neon lasers are normally small with cavity lengths of around 15 cm up to 0.5 meter and optical output powers ranging from 1 milliwatt to 100 milliwatt. Working. The working of helium neon laser can be understood by this diagram. When a discharge passes through the gas mixture, helium atoms are excited to the higher energy levels E2 and E3 through collision with accelerated particle. This is termed as pumping. The states E2 and E3 are metastable state from which there are no allowed transitions. The excited helium atom then collide inelastically with neon atom still in the ground state and transfer energy to them. The advantage of this collision is that the neon atom can easily jump to the higher energy state E5-, E4- and E3-. After collision, the helium atoms return to the ground state. The higher neon states E5- and E4- are the metastable state and have longer lifetime than E3. Therefore, a population inversion achieved at the stages E5-, E4- and E3-. When an excited neon atom passes from metastable state E5- and E4- to the state E3-, it emits a photon. The photon travels through the gas mixture. If the photon is moving parallel to the axis of tube, it is reflected back and forth by the mirror end until it stimulates an excited atom. Thus, it causes a fresh photon in the phase with stimulated photon. The stimulated transition is the laser transition and it is of 632.8 nanometer. This process continues till a beam of coherent radiation builds up in the tube. When a beam becomes sufficiently intense, a portion of it escapes through the partially silver end. And after transition, the neon atoms comes to the ground state by spontaneous emission. This figure also illustrates the energy level diagram of the helium neon laser. Applications of helium neon laser. The narrow beam of helium neon laser is used in supermarket to read the barcodes. The helium neon laser is used in holography in producing the 3D image of the objects. Helium neon lasers have many industrial and scientific uses and are often used for the demonstration of optics in laboratory. Advantage: helium neon laser has a very good coherence property. Cost of helium neon laser is less for most of the laser. Construction of helium neon laser is not also very complex. Helium neon laser provide inherent safety due to low power output. Helium neon laser tube has a very small length, approximately from 10 to 100 centimeter, and best lifetime of 20,000 hours. Disadvantage: helium neon laser is a low gain system. It is relatively low power device, means its output is low. High voltage requirement can be considered its disadvantage. Thanks.